How to set up parental controls for Fortnite. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna explain to you how you can set up parental controls for Fortnite. On this video, I will be taking reference from the official Epic Games website. On the official website, if you search for how do I set up parental controls for Fortnite, then you will see these steps. On these steps, it has been mentioned, firstly, open Fortnite. Once you open Fortnite, select your player icon. This will be at the upper right corner. After that, select the menu icon. It will look like a 3-line icon. After that, from the right column, select Parental Controls. After selecting Parental Controls, select Set up Parental Controls. First, you will choose and confirm the email address. If no email address is linked, then you will need to link it first. Once email address is linked, then set up your 6-digit parental control PIN. You will need to set this so that you can only access this option. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.